Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems and welcome to another edition of White Boy Roofing. Today we're going to talk about how a spray foam roof is renewable. So what is a renewable roof and why does anybody care? Renewable roof is one where when its life cycle is over, you don't need to rip it off and put a brand new system on there. You can simply make simple repairs and the roof keeps on going as it was in year one. So why does anybody care? Well, it's more cost effective and it's a lower lifetime cost than if you would rip something off and put another new system on there. So a quick example is, say you got a spray foam roof and you got a 10-year warranty. Well, 20 mils of coating will go over that spray foam to protect it from UV rays, foot traffic, etc. After 10 years, that 20 mils of coating might be down to 7 or 8 mils. And when that 10 years is up, you would just clean the top layer. Power washing is the most likely case. And then you put more coating on there and you get another 10-year warranty. You don't have to rip anything off. Guys are in and out, and it costs a third to a half of what the original cost of the installation is on year one. So a quick example is, say you got a single ply roof and a spray foam roof. Year one, say a single ply roof costs $50,000 and a spray foam roof costs $60,000. Now they're not always more expensive than other ones, but let's just say that for an example. In year 10, you're gonna have to rip that single ply roof completely off and pay another $50,000 for that roof. A spray foam roof, since it's renewable, all you would do is clean the top coat of coating, put more coating on, and it costs, let's just say, a half of the original cost, so that'd be $30,000. So your total lifetime cost after 10 years is $100,000 versus $90,000, and that's all worst case scenario. And the cycle just keeps going on and on and on for how long the roof lasts. So if you want more information, please click the URL in the description. You'll get to the blog post where it has more detail about everything we talked about here. Hope you learned something new today, and thank you for tuning in. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.